Hello there, my name's Tracy Alsam and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to another of my 30-second solution videos. Today I have something using the Paper Pumpkin kit from December 2019, and in the kit we had all the supplies to make for each of these really pretty cards. And what I love about these cards is this beautiful gold foil laser cut pieces that we have, and there's another one there with a swirly bit and a smaller leafy type one, and it's really interesting. The kit comes with full instructions to make the project, and these are the instructions that we get, and it's lovely. I absolutely love it because I don't have to worry about creating anything, designing it, cutting any of the pieces. It's all done for me. But sometimes people find they have little issues. Sometimes they find things where for one reason or another they struggle, and sometimes that happens when you get stickers. Now these stickers are actually, they're quite tough, they're on card, and when you're trying to pick them off, it's really difficult. So let me show you my solution, and it really is very simple. So I put my finger underneath and I put my thumb on top and I bend the backing paper, and then the sticker can be taken off. It really is that simple. Sometimes when you're trying to pick at a sticker, it's just easier to bend it. Now for the cardboard ones, that's fairly straightforward. Now when you get to these foil ones, it can be a little bit more challenging, but the same applies. Bend it backwards until you can get just a little bit of a lip. Get your finger under there and then start working your way around, and that's all I do. I'm bending it backwards. I'm putting my thumb underneath the piece that needs to come off, the actual sticker part, as you can see. And where I've got a piece that doesn't need to come up, I'm pushing it back down again with my other thumb and working my way around. It takes a little bit of time, especially when you have something as fancy and as intricate as this particular one. So again, I'm lifting that up and I'm pushing back down the piece between that needs to stay where it is, and I'm working my way around the whole sticker. This way I'm not bending the sticker, I'm not getting a crease across the foil, which can be a little bit disappointing if that happens. But you can see, hopefully, that just by bending, not sticking it to itself, just by bending back the backing paper, I am managing to lift the sticker up. Now here we have a piece that shouldn't come up, we don't need it, so I'm going to push that out now and stick it back on that backing paper. And I'm just going to carry on working my way around, push that piece down, we don't need that piece, work my way around. And yes, it takes a little bit of time, but I have found this works every time. I get the piece off the backing paper, I don't tear it, I don't crease it, and when you have something as beautiful as this gold sticker, really don't want it to be damaged. So there's the last pieces. Push out that little piece that I don't need. Push back that little piece that I don't need. And there we are. Got my sticker out. It's still in beautiful condition and it's ready to stick down on one of my projects. So whether you've got foil pieces to do or card stickers, paper stickers, if you're having trouble getting them off the backing paper, try my solution. Try bending the backing away from the sticker and working your way around to get it away. So I hope that's been useful, and if you have some more queries or questions, do let me know and I'll try and come up with a 30-second solution tip for you. There are more 30-second solution tips in my YouTube channel, and I also put tips and tricks on my blog on my daily website. So if you want to subscribe to YouTube, there's a link below. Just click on the link for subscribe and click on the bell so that you get a notification when I post a new video. And you can find me on my blog at www.papercraftwithme.com, and I hope you'll join me again soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.